Tired of heat damage? Say hello to the AUITRONCARE Heatless Curls Overnight Set, your secret to gorgeous salon-ready hair by morning. Imagine waking up with perfect, frizz-free curls, all thanks to its incredibly soft, lightweight satin design that lets you sleep soundly. This isn't just a rod. It's a complete heatless styling kit, including a luxurious 34-inch satin rod, 2 matching scrunchies, and a secure clip. The Eternal Muse rollers truly redefine effortless beauty. Just wrap your hair, secure it, and let it work its magic while you dream. Finally, ditch those damaging hot tools. This sleeping blowout headband protects your hair from breakage, preserving its natural shine and health. You'll achieve voluminous, bouncy curls with zero heat, making it the ultimate damage-free alternative for stunning hair. Ready to transform your hair routine? Click the Amazon link in the description to discover these amazing heatless hair curlers today. No more rushing or complicated styling. These foam curly tie ribbons give you a flawless sleeping blowout look every single time. Don't wait to get your hands on this must-have beauty tool. Find the AUITRONCARE Heatless Curling Rod set on Amazon. For truly beautiful, healthy curls with zero effort, the AUITRONCARE Heatless Curls Overnight Set is an absolute game changer we highly recommend.